Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
It's a wonderful country. Nice to meet you.
Yes, I single quote yes, beautiful. Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
John.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it is 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10.
Thanks.
You're welcome.